very, very specialized equipment that grinds extremely flat. And there were some deviations on the track, but the overall composition of the concrete that's been placed in and the bituminous asphalt is first rate. It's really good material. We came in and flattened it. It took about a week. I've gotten to the point where I can drive a track and tell whether or not it meets my specs or not, and this thing is smooth. My little Suzuki rental car will go about 130 kilometers, and I've been down it at that speed, and you can't feel anything. I would run my personal cars on it. Kind of a little background on other things that we do as total venue work, just trying to show I have experience being out on these. I work for Tony Stewart Racing. We won a world championship last year. Overall, I think I have 10 or 11 world championships, maybe 12, with 3 different companies, Don Schumacher Racing, a couple in Pro Mod, a couple on my own, and now Tony Stewart. So I'm blessed with the ability to race at the highest level, and I just can't express it enough how flat this track is. It came out way better than I thought it was going to, and it definitely exceeded my expectations. We brought a couple crew in with us, Bob and Thomas over there. Couldn't have done it without these guys. But the other one is Joy. Joy made this happen. It's hard to express how many loopholes we had to jump through to bring this equipment here. Not just on Joy's side, but at the same time, we're doing 3 other projects in 3 other countries and trying to coordinate all the equipment at the right time and get everything done while it's happening. So you have a great racetrack.